Hi everyone, my name is Meghanaji, currently pursuing MCA at Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. Today I am going to explain about the operating systems. Let us know the introduction to operating systems. An operating system is a critical piece of software that manages computer hardware. It provides services for computer programs. It acts as an intermediary between users and the hardware of the computer. Without an operating system, a computer would be useless because it is the OS that allows applications to interact with the hardware. What is an operating system? An operating system is a system software that manages computer hardware, software resources, and provides common services for computer programs. Essentially, it acts as an intermediary between users and the computer hardware, facilitating efficient execution of applications. Without an OS, a user would not be able to interact with the hardware of a computer in a meaningful way. Here's a simple architecture of what is an operating system and the key functions of an operating system: the process management, memory management, file system management, and the device management. In process management, the OS manages processes in a system, including scheduling, creation, termination, and synchronization of processes. In memory management, it handles allocation and deallocation of memory for programs, ensuring that each process has adequate memory and the memory is efficiently utilized. In file system management, the OS manages files on storage devices. It provides a way to create, read, write, and delete files while also managing directories. In device management, operating system manages hardware devices like printers, hard drives, etc. through device drivers, allowing users and programs to interact with hardware seamlessly. The next is the types of operating systems, and it contains batch operating system, time sharing multitasking operating system, distributed operating system, real-time operating system, and the mobile operating system. Batch operating system executes job in batches without user interaction. Time sharing OS, multiple users can interact with the system simultaneously. In distributed OS, it manages a group of independent computers and makes them appear to be a single system. In real-time OS, it is used for applications requiring precise timing and high reliability, like embedded systems. In mobile OS, specifically designed for mobile devices like smartphones and tablets in Android or iOS. The popular operating systems are Windows, Linux, macOS, Android, and iOS. Windows, developed by Microsoft, commonly used in personal computers. Linux is an open source OS widely used for servers, desktops, and embedded systems. macOS is developed by Apple for their Mac computers. Android, mobile OS developed by Google based on Linux. And iOS, Apple's mobile operating system for iPhones and iPads. The concepts in operating systems are multitasking, multithreading, virtual memory, kernel. In multitasking, the running multiple processes simultaneously. In multithreading, breaking down processes into smaller threads that can run concurrently. Virtual memory, the technique of using disk storage to extend physical memory. And the kernel version, the core part of the OS that manages system resources and hardware communication. Thank you.